In this session, let us learn about Java methods parameters. Parameters and arguments. Information can be passed to method's parameter. Parameter acts as a variables inside the method. Parameters are specified after the method name inside the parentheses. You can add as many parameters as you want, just separate them with a comma. The following example has a method that takes a string called fname as parameter. When the method is called, we pass along a first name which is used inside the method to print the full name. See fname plus Ponnuri. See my method Geetasri, my method Deepanvi, my method Kumar. See here Geetasri Ponnuri, Deepanvi Ponnuri, Kumari Ponnuri was printed. When parameter is passed to the method, it is called an argument. So from the example above, fname is a parameter while Geetasri, Deepanvi and Kumar are arguments. Multiple parameters. You can have as many parameters as you like. Geetasri 11, 18, see fname plus is plus is. See now we are adding is. My method Geetasri 11, my method Deepanvi 18, my method Kumar 40. See here Geetasri 11, Deepanvi is 18, Kumar is 40. Note that when you are working with the multiple parameters, the method call must have the same number of arguments, as there are parameters and the arguments must be passed in the same order. Return values. The void keyword used in the examples above indicates that the method should not return a value. If you want the method to return a value, you can use a primitive data type such as integer, character, etc. instead of void and use the return keyword inside the method. See here, now we are using static my method integer returns 5 plus 5. See static void main string args system now print my method 3. See here 8 was printed. See this example returns the sum of methods 2 parameters. See here integer x integer y x plus 5. See 5 3 8 was printed. You can also store the result in a variable recommended as it is easier to read and maintain. See here integer z is equal to my method system or print in print z. The result 8 printed. A method with if else. It is common to use if else statements inside a method. See here create a check age method with an integer parameter called age. See if age is less than 18 print ss denied. See here ss denied you are not old enough. If age is greater than or equal to 18 print ss granted. See here ss granted you are old enough. Call the check age method and pass along an age of 20. See here by writing and executing this code, see the result was ss granted you are old enough. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 18 Java methods parameters. In next video let us learn about another topic Java method overloading. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.